Welcome to Mangoes and Palm Trees, where tropical flavors shine. Today I'm sharing our delectable tuna and salmon loaf recipe. This dish blends mild tuna with rich salmon for a unique, mouth-watering delight. If you love tuna loaves or salmon loaves, this healthy seafood loaf is a must-try. Packed with 20 grams of protein and 1 gram of omega-3s per serving, it's perfect for family dinners or festive meals. You'll need 1 cup flaked tuna, 1 cup flaked salmon, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 2 beaten eggs, half a cup of milk, finely chopped onion, celery, and bell pepper, salt, pepper, garlic powder, lemon zest, and fresh parsley or dill. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a loaf pan. Mix tuna and salmon in a bowl. Add breadcrumbs, eggs, and milk. Stir in vegetables and seasonings. Transfer to the pan, press gently, and bake for 45 to 50 minutes until golden brown. Cool, slightly, slice, and serve with a fresh salad or steamed vegetables for a wholesome meal. Visit Mangoes and Palm Trees online for the full recipe tips and more delicious seafood dishes. Take our personality quiz to discover your culinary style. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.